Yeah. 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 Love. What you know about Young Fresh? My dreads, they need to be refreshed. I don't really care though. I do it long hair, don't care though. Look, playing with the boy, better show you what it really is. Not waka flocka, but my dreads, they be flying. I be up in the sky and I'm flying super fast too. Call me G2, cause I ain't fast dude. And I be going, and I like flowing. My eyes look like somebody ripping up my dome. What? It mean my head made a new word, believe it. I got my own dictionary as I go and talk. I make these boys wanna do it, try to walk my walk. But they ain't me, no they ain't me. I'm the only guy that wear this shirt and be fly G. And I got my favorite hat. That must be looking real whack, but I make it look tight cause it's on me. My boys know me, deep fresh fam G. Oh, go. When I go with the blow. You don't wanna see me go. Everybody wanna touch the dough. But I wanna go, flow. And I be like, bo. I be like, going, let's go. When I come through to my toe. Yeah. You heard me. Yeah. You heard me. Look, Roscoe Dash. What? Where he at? Him ain't hurt. It's only fresh. I have no fur. You see my earth? It's super cool. It's hella small. Like you, dude. I'm lying, though. You probably big. Probably tall. Probably 6 feet. I really don't know. Really don't care. I really don't do what you want me to. Cause I do what I do. Even though I got big gold cheeks, my dude. You see my eyebrows? They up in the air, they looking real tall. Gotta lick my lips good, cause I don't use car mess, I'm from the hood. Yeah, I make it feel great when I'm up in this place and I eat up off they plate, cause I know I'm super hungry, been a couple Thanksgiving, eating all the turkey and the pumpkin pie, get it. All here, let me see here. If you really bad, girl, write you my dead. And you know I'm tight, just some nights, cause I get up on the stage and I rock the thing, mic. That's what I always say, cause I'm always looking at some ugly girl with bad breath, like, Yeah. Let's go. Fresh fam, where you at, dawg? Fresh fam, where you at, dawg? I gotta do it. Yep. Yeah.